Okay, today we are installing a center stand on my Moto Guzzi V85 TT. I'm wearing my safety glasses because I'm a little bit afraid of this one. Well, here we have the contents of the center stand kit. The stand itself, and then all this stuff. The instructions, once again, are 4 little bullet points that say be careful, and a drawing. There are some X's saying what not to do, kinda. So we're just gonna see how it goes. Okay, well, this rubber bumper appears to go right here. So let's see if we just press that on there. Nice. Okay, and then it looks like this is like a stopper that the bumper is gonna bonk against. If we just fit it right here. Not bad. Okay, so those guys are for that there. Now up in here, where is it? This matches this, and it's where these hooks for the springs are gonna hook in. These go through here and here, and then these sleeves will go around the springs here, and then we're gonna stretch the springs, hopefully using a ratchet, and see if we can get this whole system under tension without hurting anybody. Okay, so I ended up using this ratchet system. Wrapped around the wheel and then hooked through there on the passenger foot peg. And there's a little hole in this that I think must be designed for that. So it wasn't too bad. I got snagged on this thing the first time, but I think we're all good. Yeah, these sleeves were way easier to put on after I heated them up a little bit. It's 40 degrees out, so that might have had something to do with why I couldn't get them on at first. But, gosh, I think everything's tight, so I suppose it's time to test. I keep forgetting to get a picture or a video whenever I drop my dang bike. That's drop number 3. The center stand is, the bike's still 530 pounds, I think, so it's a beast. So I'm going to practice a little more and let you know if I learn any tips while I'm doing it. Okay, well, it's on the stand. There's an inch under the back wheel. Got it done. Man, the bike is heavy. And I guess the trick is you kind of get your weight on this pedal here, maybe on the ball of your foot, and make sure both feet are on the ground. And that was the mistake I made. I tried to lift it up on one of the feet. And then just, you know, put your weight onto the pedal right as you kind of yank the bike back. Leave the stand down while you're doing it, just in case you got to abort, and you can drop it back on its kickstand. But it is important when you take it off the stand, I wouldn't leave the kickstand down. It would be too easy to drop this thing right on your foot that's left on the ground. So maintain control of it, but I wouldn't leave the stand down and put 500 pounds right on your ground foot. Anyway, this thing wasn't hard to install. Once you got the springs stretched, it's kind of no big deal. I'd say maybe 40 minutes to get it on, and then, you know, another 15 minutes to figure out how to use it. But anyway, it wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching. You can always like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on how to install stuff when you don't have a great manual. Anyway, thanks a ton.